Okay, salam sejahtera to Puan Suhaila and Dr. Aliza. Uh, First of all, thank you for spending your time to listen for my presentation. My name is Athanasius and I'm from BEA, and I'm going to present about my project, which is automated solar tracker using Arduino. Okay, first of all, solar energy can be an essential power source for Malaysia because of the geographical position where we are now at the equator. Okay, the sun energy can be harvested using a photovoltaic cell, and it can turn solar energy into electrical energy, but the efficiency of the typical PV cell conversion is very poor. So because the production of the PV cell is depend on the strength of light and the angle of the sun during the day. Okay, but by using this solar tracking system, energy generated can be generated more efficiently, as the solar panel is tracking sorry solar panel is tracking the sun position that changing during the day. By this system, the solar energy generation in Malaysia can be increased its viability. Okay, next. Okay, the objective scope of this project. Okay, the project objective is to develop an automatic solar tracker model, then to compare the energy generated by the automated solar tracker model to the fixed angle solar panel. Okay, the scope of the project. Okay, this project only assemble a park light with a solar tracker. So now we only focus on generating power for park light. Okay, this project is designed for jogger usage at the park. Then this project is to develop a product for auto use. Okay, the uses of the automatic solar tracker will be used to powering outdoor lamp at the public park. Right, next. Okay, project significant. The significance of this project is for the community needs. It is aimed toward the people who want to use the public park at night for extra vehicle activities such as jogging and exercise or other stuff. This project also to encourage the public to go for exercise activity at night where they did not have the time to do at the evening after work, where they come back from work late, for example. Then the public park will be provided with self-sustained lamp which use automated solar tracking system as the power source that can be used, not the tracking the solar tracker, but the lamp can be used at night. Okay. Next is this is to decrease the dependency of electric power that's supplied by the city generator, which also environment friendly device. Okay, methodology. Okay, first of all, we start with a literature review where we study the past project that have been done by other researchers. Then we go to hardware development where we choose and assemble the model. After that, we go for software development where we will write the program for our solar tracker. Then during the code development, we're going to test the program whether it is working or not. If it's not working, then we will go to troubleshooting and debugging until we are able to get the program to work. If work, then the program are working, then we shall go to data collection and analysis. After that we will present our data and analysis and discussion to the panel. Okay, during the presentation. During this time, until presentation, we also will do project documentation and report. Okay, and now for the hardware. For our microcontroller, we're going to use Arduino Uno. Reason we use Arduino Uno as it is easy to use, plus it is good for beginner to use. Okay, next is photoresistor. This photoresistor we're going to use to detect the light, which will command the servo motor to move the solar panel towards the uh, our solar source. Okay, servo motor. We will use servo motor to move the solar panel as explained before. Okay, solar panel is going to be used as our main energy generator. Okay, for charger controller will regulate our voltage incoming or coming uh, from the solar panel or the battery or our other hardware that connected to uh, this charger controller. Okay, lastly, battery, as you know, to store our generated energy from the solar panel, and also we use this battery to power our other hardware such as our microcontroller. Okay. For software, for now we are going to use only Arduino IDE software as for our program writing, compile, and upload. Okay. Okay. Lastly, our expected result for the hardware. The assembly will be take long. We expected that problem would occur during the testing of the assemble model, such as the motor unable to move the solar panel according to the supposition, and also the photoresistor unable to detect incoming light from the sun. For software, we expect that problem will occur during compiling and uploading the program. This can be resolved by troubleshooting and debugging. Also, that the next problem is that the next expected result, that is when the program is uploaded but the hardware is unable to execute the program that has been uploaded to the microcontroller. Okay, and that I conclude my presentation. Thank you. Thank you, madam and doctor, for listening to my presentation. I appreciate your comment and question later in the Q&A session. With that, thank you.